Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, just want to show you these that have arrived. These are my Bellis Pomponette bicolor 24 plugs. These are the ones. Nice healthy plants, as you can see. Nice root system on them. I'm just going to be showing you how I go about popping them on. You arrive in one of these containers. All you do is just basically open them at each side and they slide straight out. I should put them on one side. Let's get this set up, shall we? These are perennial plant, that's why I've ordered them. Got them for next year. I shall overwinter them in my greenhouse, even though they're hardy. So yeah, got my tray here. Like so. Put that on one side. On one side like that. And then all you need to do is just fill your pots up with a bit of compost. It's the last bit of compost I've got left from this year's. As you can see, a few dead leaves in there, not the end of the world. So yeah, just get them filled up and get them potted on. It's quite dry, this compost. It's normally a bit damp when I use it, but oh well, not the end of the world. So yeah, you at the top like so, as you can see, straight out. As you can see, what a nice root system on those. These are so healthy. And look, 2 plants in there, 2 in there, so it's 2 for the price of 1. All you do then is in the middle like so, finger, and give it a bit of tap down. Same with this one. I haven't posted a video in a while, sorry about that folks, I've been quite busy. I shall post one, a catch up on the front garden, probably later on today or tomorrow, because that is, everything's basically gone over now, so it's just a case of letting things die back and deadheading. So yeah, these are my Bellis Pomponette bicolor fully mixed 24 plugs. So get the rest of these done, and then I shall show you how I go about watering them. Get the top down, and if any dead or dying material wants to take it out. That's it. So 6 out into the middle. Put compost on the edge. Get the top down. You get about 8 in this tray, I think. I think that's about what I normally get in one of these trays. Just be enough to do one of these trays. I think today I might have to go and buy some more compost then. So yeah, these are really, if you go on the website Thompson & Morgan, you'll see really good flowers. These beautiful colours. I would highly recommend them. I bought these myself. I haven't sent for anything, so I'm not trying to advertise. I'm just pleased with how nice they are and what good quality plants they are. Nice plugs, beautiful. 2 more to do, and then I'll give these a water. But yeah, I was sure to give them a feed today as well. Once they've been watered in, leave them a few hours and give them a nice liquid feed. Just got a little bit of tomato feed left, so I'll probably just use that on them. And get them nicely bulked up for next year, so I get some beautiful flowers next year. That's that one there. All I do then is, with my hose, quickest way of doing it this, just give them a nice gentle sprinkle. You don't have to go mad. This will allow all the air pockets to go out of the compost, and then I'll come back probably an hour, give everything a chance to soak in, see if any. Sometimes the compost drops down too much, because sometimes you need to go and put a bit more in. But that's it. That's how to pot on your plug plants. Your Bellis Pomponette bicolor. Yeah, and that's just potting them on. Some nice plug plants. Hope you enjoyed watching, folks. Hope you found this video useful. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye, everybody.